Today I'm bringing you a practice that has 3 really powerful calming effects, or 3 access points of calming. So I call it kind of like the triple threat or the trifecta of calm. And I thought of this one in particular when a student of mine, actually I have a couple of students who are embarking on or just are going through IVF, and they're over 40, and they asked me what they should do. Could they still do yoga? Is there anything that would help? And the answer is the best thing to do is to be as calm as possible and try to be in that rest and repair state rather than the fight or flight state as much as possible. When we're stressed out and anxious, the first kind of function or system to go is a reproductive system because it's not necessary for us to survive. So all hands on deck, we need everything in order to function because our body is so stressed. It says, we don't need you, reproductive system. We put everything else into keeping us alive. So we have to be really nice and calm. So like massages, go for it. But everyday meditation and watching your breath all day long is going to be even more effective. One thing once a week is not going to make the difference that we need in order to put our body in that state to reproduce. So this is one that everyone can use, but I especially recommend it for the women who are trying to get pregnant and they're really stressed out. So here we go. Right hand up, closing off the right nostril, resting the pointer finger in the middle of the forehead. And we're breathing through the nostril, through the left nostril only. When we have this pressure here at kind of the third eye point, it stimulates the vagus nerve. Everyone has had the experience where they go, oh, in frustration, right? Our body knows instinctively that this is a point that calms us, this pressure point. So we're going to use that to our advantage. The pressure here, breathing through the left nostril only is calming and cooling. Then the third thing we'll do is double the length of our exhale, which is another way to turn on the parasympathetic nervous system. So we are having 3 points and the double the length of the exhale to tell our body to calm down. So I'll go through it a few times with you. Here we go. We're closing our eyes and looking up at that point where our forefinger is touching. Roll the eyes up so you feel that little pressure around the eyes. The nose is pressing firmly, the thumb is pressing firmly into the nose, not so much that you're throwing your nose out of whack, but you're closing off the nostril. And then we'll do it with me the first time. Squeeze everything out, really draw the navel back firmly to exhale fully. Now inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now pause for a second. Press pause on this. Go get your phone and set the timer for at least 7 minutes. If you have more, if you have 11 or 22 minutes, please do that. And do that same exact breath. Whatever your deepest breath is, double the length of the exhale. So from one breath to the next may be a little different. You may have a 4 count inhale one time and a 7 count inhale another time. Just notice, don't worry about that. Just keep doubling the length of the exhale. And I can give you some more add-ons in another video, but let's start with this. So press pause, go get your phone, get your timer, then come back and press play. I'm going to play the bowl for you for the background while you do this for a little bit if you want some sound. I'll also put a link below for another great track that's nice to have in the background. I send you all my love and healing and wishes, positivity, calming energy. Love. Namaste.